8 plus 1. 1. Mine.
What number is that?
196.
Very good. What's next?
2.
Are you on the tens?
1. No, ones.
Oh, the ones? Okay.
3 plus 2. 1, 2, 5.
Oh, you already wrote it.
Mom, I did.
You did. You forgot.
I did.
You did do it.
7 plus 1.
Yes, what is that?
7 plus 1. 8.
Christopher, are you a smarty pants?
What?
You a smarty pants? Now what?
6 plus 1.
What is that?
7.
Yeah. What number is that?
785.
You're right. What's next? What's not next?
Me.
Well, you're almost done, honey. Do you do the ones or the tens or the hundreds first?
1.
The ones. All right, what's the ones?
6.
Yeah? 6? Good boy.
6.
Uh-huh.
Mom. 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 6.
It is 6.
1 plus 8 plus 1.
What?
Mine. 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 8.
Good job, Pumpkin.
896.
896.
Good job.
Good job.
Go watch TV.
What?
Go watch TV.
Nuh-uh.
Go watch TV.
No, you gotta finish all these problems.
Give me watch TV.
Not even. Finish your problems.
Give me weaving.
Give you what?
Weaving.
No.
5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine.
Okay.